Now let us try to understand the steps required for debugging JavaScript code either in the Internet Explorer browser or in the Edge browser. The steps are common steps. Whatever the steps we have followed for debugging JavaScript code in Google Chrome browser, almost similar steps are valid in Internet Explorer or in Edge browser also. Anyhow, let me write the steps. First step is place a debugger keyword in required JavaScript function. So whichever the JavaScript function you would like to debug, there you place the debugger keyword. Next, send the page output to Internet Explorer or maybe Edge browser. Next, third step is in the Internet Explorer browser. If you are using Internet Explorer for debugging, you will see in the rightmost portion some gear icon. Just click on gear icon. Immediately after that you will see F12 developer tools option. You just need to click on that F12 developer tools option. In case if you are using Edge browser, in the current version of Edge browser, in the rightmost portion, top rightmost portion, you will see 3 horizontal dots icon. Once you click on that, you will see F12 developer tools option. So just click on that F12 developer tools option in the Edge browser. Next, fourth step is perform the action which will call JavaScript function. Next, use either F10 or F11 for performing debugging. I believe you understood the point. Now, whatever the steps I have written over here, I would like to show you all these steps, or I would like to execute all these steps directly in my Visual Studio by opening a sample program. So sometime back, while explaining the debugging technique in Google Chrome browser, I think I have created a factorial page, right? So wherein in that factorial page, I created one function for calculating the factorial for the given number. I will try to open the same code and I will try to show you the debugging, or I will try to show you how to debug that JavaScript code in Internet Explorer or in the Edge browser. Now, I opened my Visual Studio here, right? So sometime back I think we have done this JS loop assignment wherein we created fncalcfact function, and when the user clicks on submit button, we call this JavaScript function, and this function is performing the factorial operation and it will be displaying the result. Now I would like to debug this JavaScript function by using Internet Explorer or by using Edge browser. I'll do one thing. I will try to first show you how to debug this JavaScript function in the Internet Explorer browser, and later I will show you how to debug the same code in the Edge browser also. Now, first I will send this HTML file code to, or this HTML file output to my browser. Anyhow, in my computer, the browser, default browser is Google Chrome. First I will send this HTML page output to browser. In my computer, since the default browser is Google Chrome browser, you will see the Google Chrome browser opening over here. So in the Google Chrome browser, I got the page output. But anyhow, I would like to debug this JavaScript function. This JavaScript function in the Internet Explorer browser. So what I will do here is I will just copy this URL and I will close this Google Chrome browser and I will close my Visual Studio and I will go to my desktop. So in the desktop, I am having Internet Explorer icon. Let me open Internet Explorer. You observe? Now my Internet Explorer browser got opened, and in the browser I'll just copy paste the page URL. I clicked on enter. Now we got factorial.html page output. Now this is Internet Explorer browser. If you want, you can see what HTML or JavaScript code is received by the browser. Right click and then click on view source. You will see the received HTML. and then JavaScript also. So once you right click and once you click on view source, you will see the received HTML factorial.html file code like this. Completely you will see. Anyhow, let me close this. So now let us try to perform debugging in the Internet Explorer. So for debugging, you just click on this gear icon, or otherwise you can use Alt X shortcut key. And once you click on this gear icon, you will see F12 Developer Tools option. Just click on that. Once you click on that F12 Developer Tools option, you will get the window like this. Okay, so this is F12 Developer Tools window. Now you click on Calculate Factorial button, which will call the JavaScript function. Okay, so in the button code, in the on click, we are calling the function. Now let me click on this. Now you observe the debugging is coming into the function. Because of debugger, JavaScript engine stopped executing the code. Now I will use F11 option. Even if you want, you can use F10 option also. So once I click on F11, the execution is jumped from 8th line to 9th line. And you observe here, you can see a special window attached to the right hand side. That is watches window. In this watches window, you can see local variables data, and even in case if any global variables are there, even that global variables data also you can see here. Okay, so currently res value is undefined because this code is not yet executed. Now let me click on F11. Execution is jumped from 9th line to 10th line. You see now currently you can able to see res value as 1, right? So what is the value received by no variable? This no variable, that is 4. So clearly you can observe here. Okay, now what is the value of I? I is undefined because this code is not yet executed. I is equals to 1 is not yet executed, and hence I is undefined. Now let me click on F11. So now I value is 1, you can clearly observe here, or otherwise you place the cursor on top of this, you can see here also. Okay, now I less than or equal to no is executed or not yet executed? It is not yet executed. Now let me execute. What is the value of I less than or equal to no? It is true. Even if you want to see the result of this expression here also, I selected the entire expression, and once I place the cursor on top of the expression, so this window is showing I less than or equal to no value as a true. Even here also you can see. Okay, so if you want to verify anything, you can click on add watch, and once you click on add watch, you will see box like this. In case if you want to verify something else, let us say I want to check I is, let me click on add watch again. I want to check I greater than 20 or not. Let me click on enter. It is showing I greater than 20 is false. Something like this. By clicking on add watch, I can able to verify the expression result. Now after this again I will click on F11. So I++ will be executed. So what is the current value of res? Obviously it is 1 only. So something like this you can debug. I believe you understood. Okay, but anyhow, in most of the cases, personally I recommend you to use the Google Chrome browser only for debugging JavaScript code. If you use Google Chrome browser, it is a bit easy to debug the JavaScript code in Google Chrome browser compared to other browsers. Okay, so I believe you understood the point. So I explained how to debug the JavaScript code in Internet Explorer browser. Now let me close this. So we are getting result. Now I will copy this URL and I will try to explain how to debug the JavaScript code in Edge browser. Now let me open my Edge browser. In my computer I am just opening Edge browser. In the Edge browser, just copy paste the URL and then click on enter. Now my Edge browser has received the output of factorial.html. Now I recommend you to click on this 3 horizontal dots icon. Once you click on this, again you will see F12 Developer Tools. Once you click on F12 Developer Tools, one window will be attached to the current Edge browser window where the page output is displayed. And again here you can able to see the debugger option. Now you click on the button control which will call the JavaScript function. Now because of clicking on this button control, the call will be coming to this JavaScript function. You just observe. I think there is a delay. That is the reason why in most of the cases, because of this kind of delays only, I will not be using the Internet Explorer browser or Edge browser for debugging purposes. So it is very slow. I don't know, my Edge browser is not responding. I'll close it. I am reopening my Edge browser. Now let me copy paste the URL in the Edge browser and I clicked on enter. I got the output of the page. Now for debugging JavaScript code in Edge browser, click on 3 horizontal dots icon, click on F12 developer tools. So once we click on F12 developer tools, click on calculate factorial button, which will call the JavaScript function.